Look at that. That looks great. That cornerstone back in place. Now that it's the right cornerstone, we accidentally kept thinking it was the one that was directly below the scaffolding, but that one belongs way up there. So cool. There's that cornerstone, the proper one. Frank's again getting the mortar in there so that it will be set nice and level.
Plumb. And
Well, you know, level and plumb. So it looks good. The lintel is doing good. So after this stone, the first floor is reset, which is exciting.
Other than the structure.
Right. We still have the rest of the structure to do. However, it's still the outside course of stone for the first floor will be finished. Other than repointing with all the stuff. So, very good.
Fun, fun, fun.
Fun, fun, fun. Look all the way across. Looking sharp. Okay, I just got back from a Lowe's run and got some more rebar. And we got 20 bags of concrete.
I'm gonna make Carrie lift it to the second floor.
Yeah, because I'm strong.
Well,
with the help of Bertha.
I'm
gonna use my tool. Gonna use my tool named Bertha.
Alrighty.
And she's gonna help me get it up there.
We were gonna worry about rain, but I think it's gonna be okay for a little while.
Yeah, it was clouding up on my way. And so I was like, well, we might want to get it out of...
Let's see, that's 8 times 10. 1,600 pounds.
1,600 pounds. Oh, yeah, that's nothing for Bertha.
Bertha.
Okay, now that we have the stones that need to be in place, we're going to build the form that goes all the way across and ties everything in. We're going to build that form, and then our goal is to get some concrete in that today. We've got the rebar and all that to go in, so it'll be nice and sturdy. We're prepping the form, getting it a little wet, and putting just a very fine coat of...
Not as fine as you are, baby.
Thanks, Bobby. Very fine coat of oil on there so that the concrete does not stick to it and it just pops off very easily once everything has set and cured for a bit.
100% pure peanut oil.
Yep, makes great mousetrap too, which is why we actually have it down here, but the raccoons like it as well and they dump the oil everywhere, so we had to quit using that type of trap. Okay.
Alrighty, we're gonna see if we can get that concrete up here. 1,600 pounds of concrete. Carrie's gonna move Bertha around. And we're gonna put it right in here. She's gonna stick it in the window. And then we're gonna pour that concrete in there. And then we'll have a bond beam slash lintel. And it's gonna be nice. It'll be one solid piece instead of crumbly brick. There comes Carrie Lou. Driving 30,000 pound Bertha. 31.6 now because of all the concrete on the front. Look at her steering with one hand. This is a lot easier than carrying it up the stairs. Look at that. Now it's just a matter of unloading it.
Well, the forms are just about done.
Just gotta button up all the places where it will leak out.
Shouldn't take too long. We got that poured. We'll continue on tomorrow. It's looking good. So Frank is drilling a hole. That stone is actually broken. So he's drilling a hole so that we can try and put it back together again. Reinforce it together.
Rebar and epoxy.
Yep, rebar and epoxy. Something to try to hold it together so it doesn't come apart anymore.
All right, my challenge today is take these two rocks and make them look like they belong on that rock. These all used to be one. They broke up, so I'm getting ready to drilled holes in them. Get ready to put this one up there, drill a hole in there, and then epoxy them together and see if we can make this one solid stone again. Wish us luck. All right, it's they sell, or they have, limestone patch products that we will use to patch that up. And now get this long bond beam here, and we'll try to not disturb this one while we do it, while the epoxy sets up. And then once we patch this, you'll never know that it was broken. We hope.
Frank's got him a double batch of hot lime mortar, and he's gonna be working on
This big one.
that great big old piece. What is that piece called, do you know? No?
I would say it's a bond beam.
Looks pretty.
It goes above the lintel.
So we've got some rain a-coming, so we put the styrofoam in the windows. That will help tremendously keeping the water out, and it shouldn't flood this time. In the meantime, all the stone is back in place for this side. The lintel, the stone above the lintel, all of that is now back in place and mortared in. So it's exciting to see it going back in, nice and straight and nice and strong. The first course for the second floor is on its way up. And there's the clipboard that tells us where the stones go. So it's exciting to see it going up.
Yay.
Yeah, yay is right. It's getting there.
Hey, baby.
Hey, baby. It's looking really good.
I'm just putting the puzzle back together.
I know. It helps when you know where the puzzle pieces go.
I cheated.
You cheated? How did you cheat?
I put numbers on them.
Well, that's not cheating. That's just smart. There's a little bit of a Jenga piece 21. Mooreland House puzzle 21. That's not the only 21.
No. I ran out of numbers, so I had to go to letters.
Well, that's true. Priming them up. Hot lime mortar.
Trying to make sure it sticks.
Yep.
Doesn't it look like fun?
Playing in mortar all day?
Mordor.
Mordor. Hot lime Mordor.
Mordor. Oh, baby, I hope it fits.
Well, it should. It's where it came out of.
Yeah, but another one has to go on top of it.
Yeah.
And I don't know if this one's down far enough. And this one, da 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 da.
Oh, it'll fit. And it continues to go up.
I gotta come on down with one.
Well,
Gotta take this big one back off. Didn't leave enough space.
better.
Puzzle pieces don't fit if they're not the right space. So I gotta move this big one down. I don't know, about half an inch. Maybe more, maybe less.
Well,
But that's for tomorrow because I don't have more lime mortar to make it up.
nope.
No more hot lime mortar.
No more hot lime mortar for today.
We gotta go home. We gotta go to church.
Yes, we do. There is that corner going back up. Awesome. Mia, it's in here. Look. She's just not going to do it.